In today's video, I'll show you how to open this Forza Horizon 3. Open the game through the desktop shortcut and now press the 3 key in the keyboard and press enter. Press the 1 key in the keyboard and press enter. Press the 2 key in the keyboard and press enter. Press the 4 key in the keyboard and press enter. Press the 5 key in the keyboard and press enter. And now go to search menu and type Forza Horizon 3. Click on the app and open. Yeah, message pops up. You need to select OK and wait for the game to open. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. Okay, we have successfully opened the game, and I show you guys how to open after you shut down the web PC. Next time you want to play, then you need to search Forza Horizon 3 in the search bar and open the game. You don't need to install. Launch through the search for the Forza Horizon 3 and launch the game. That's it. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.